We also need an example of a coastal management scheme in the UK. We're going to look at the Holderness Coast, the East Riding of Yorkshire. What are the reasons for the coastal management strategy? Well, the Holderness Coast is the fastest eroding coastline in the whole of Europe. It's made of very, very weak soft sediments called boulder clay. They are getting ripped apart by aggressive waves from the North Sea. Global warming and climate change is going to make seas even stormier and the waves even more aggressive. Storms are going to increase in frequency, so they're going to happen more often, and they're going to increase in magnitude, so they're going to be far more energetic. That will rip the Holderness Coast apart. Indeed, there's 10 metres of erosion a year. 5 kilometres of land has been lost since Roman times. That's 27 villages lost to the sea. What is the management strategy? The management strategy is the Shoreline Management Plan, and again, it is controlled by the Environment Agency. There's lots of hard engineering where there's settlements like Bridlington, Wivensea and Hornsea. So you've got groins, and you've got rock armour, and you've got sea walls, and you've got gabions as well. But there's huge swathes of land that are just left to the sea, where the land isn't deemed to be economically valuable enough, such as farmland or caravan and campsites. This leads to quite a lot of conflict. Let's have a look at the conflict. The conflict is with locals. 200 homes could be lost to the sea in the next 10 years. Businesses, caravan and campsite owners, their business is quite literally falling into the sea because it is not considered to be economically valuable enough by the Environment Agency to defend. And then finally, farmers. 80,000 metres squared of high quality farmland is being lost to the sea every single year. Now that's really, really important, especially considering global conflict currently, or the cost of living crisis, or Brexit, because we need to increase our domestic food production. And if we're losing 80,000 metres squared of land to the sea every single year, that is not going to help us achieve our economic goals when it comes to cultivating foodstuffs.